Let me check. So before you wash any jacket in the washing machine, do check the garments labels. So let's check this one out. So this is 100% polyester. The lining is 100% polyester, and then it's telling us to wash it at 40 degrees. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to put a bit of fragrant beads at the bottom of the drum. This is Lenore Fragrant Bead Scent Booster, so that's going to go in first. Use a bit of Persil, so I'm going to use this detergent today. Persil Detergent Bio. That's going directly in the drum as well. Okay, and to that I'm going to add a conditioner. Switch it on. And I've decided to do it on a quick wash. Going to increase the temperature. The minimum temperature on the quick wash is 15 minutes. So, however, when you change the settings on the right-hand side, that increases the time. So I'm going to set the temperature to 40, and that's the maximum I can select anyway on the. So that's now taken the time up to 25 minutes. I'm going to do just 2 rinses. And I'm going to increase the RPM, the spin speed, to 1200. And I think that's it. You can't select any other options on this cycle. Can you? No. I wonder if I can decrease the creases. No, I can't select the iron option there. Okay, I think with that we'll start. So yeah, I'm just going to open the door to explore. So as you can see there, the stain's been removed completely. I had a bit of stain there and I had a bit of stain on there, didn't I? So that's fantastic.